dancing. No need to fight against the feelings, because my life is not depressing.